Okay, so that was actually just an intro. We're actually going to be doing animal noises for y'all tonight. So as you can see, we have Nifty, and can everybody tell us what animal this is? I heard someone's son, but I think I heard the correct answer was a monkey. That's correct. Give yourselves a high five. All right, can y'all tell me what animal this is? Yes, that's good. Good job.
All right, I got this one. I bet you're never gonna get it. Are you ready? Okay. Hey, it's a duck. Whoa. Nifty, you got one more? Got a few more? All right, give me your best animal noise.
What about a dog?
That was pretty good. Everybody knows how's a dog. Good job, Nifty. Good job. All right, how about a seal?
All right, what's that? Seal? Is that a seal?
That was a seal. Can you not tell that was a seal? I thought it was a pretty good seal. If you ask me. I know.
All right,
Any requests?
No, I got another. I got another. How about a cougar?
wait, I got one more.
No. It goes more like. Or does anybody know a baby crocodile? That's actually what they sound like. That's not a joke, really. All right, so are there any requests? We're going to do the best we can for an animal request. If you got a request, just throw your hand up. A donkey? A donkey from the girl in the green dress shirt thing. We'll all give you our best donkey. First, we got Lauren first. That's pretty good. All right, Nifty, what do you got? Yeah, they win. I can't do a donkey. I can't do it. All right, you win that round. Green shirt, dress girl with brown hair who's laughing. Yes. Another. No. Yes, ma'am. In the orange thing. A turkey? A turkey. I'll go first this time. Wrong animal. Sorry.
Gobble, 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 gobble.
Gobble, 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 gobble.
I already did mine.
Yeah, good job. Yeah, that was good. All right, we won that round. Good try, though.
Yeah, sure, back here.
Who? You. Yeah, you beside the green girl. A cat. Nifty, you start. That was pretty good. That sounded like I thought a cat was behind me. Did y'all see that? It ran. It was real.
Okay, we got any more? Orange shirt? Orange shirt?
A pig. No noises coming out.
Eric.
A platypus? Does anybody know what sound a platypus makes? Yeah, you can come up here and do a platypus if you know what sound that makes. I can't even spell platypus. Platypus. You know? You know what a platypus makes? Oh, you don't know? Okay.
Alright.
Okay, well, we lose. You win that one. Yes, sir. A turtle? Turtles don't make noise, so I'm just going to act it. Turtle. Yeah, that was good. Okay, Nifty, how about you give us your best baby cry? How about a baby? That's not an animal, but it's still a cool noise. All right. Yeah, okay, it's a mammal. We'll count it as a mammal. All right, do a baby cry. I thought there was a baby behind. Yeah, we got some fans of the baby cry. Well done. Do the baby cry again. We have a request. Yeah, that's pretty good. I think that sounds just like a baby. Any more?
Alright, let's take two more.
A dog? try a dolphin.
Uh,
You know what? I'll do a dolphin. Story time. I actually went to the Caribbean like 2 weeks ago, and I swam with dolphins, and it was awesome. You should do it, okay? Like, for real. But dolphins, they make several noises. You can point, and they'll do whatever you tell them. So you go like this, and they go something like that, whatever that noise is. And when you touch their blowhole, they go. Seriously, I'm not kidding. It's not a joke. Laugh. It's real. And when you point at their mouth, they like tick. They're like. So yeah. Thanks. Oh, we're done. We're done, by the way. So thanks again.